Well, hello again from Hong Kong. Alright, I just wanted to make a short little video, show some stuff that I've had for over a year. It's been in storage, but they're horizontal wind turbines. They're 5 blades. Got the 2 blades here, then here's the other 5. I don't know, it's probably going to be noisy. I probably may have to change those. But I've got a second one here. So they're both 600 watt horizontal turbines, 5 blades, both exactly identical. But as you can see, I've been digging out stuff out of storage here, but I want to put that on. It's pretty big. It's beefy. I forgot all about it. It's never been installed. It's just been stored. So, but they are 5 blade, and it should have a low start speed for wind. And I also picked up some stuff that was still in there, but for each one I've got 2. They're identical here. These 2, this is the brake. Again, it's just a 3-pole switch, and again, you're just crossing those. But it's kind of big for just a small switch that's inside it. But then here's the bridge rectifier, full width bridge rectifier. So again, because they're 3-phase output, so 3-phase AC output, and then comes in to here. I'll have it come in to the switch, and then there's my brake. I can brake it if needed, and then there's out to the DC. So 600 watts, 24 volt. Because everything I do that's for the inverters and that, everything is always 24 volt. But I've got 2 of those. I'm going to have to take everything out of these boxes and put them in a stainless steel or a plastic box. These I could probably get in the plastic box, but the rectifier is going to give off some heat, and I don't want to put that in a plastic box. I'll see how it goes. But anyway, those are those. I'll change that. But then I also, because these are all from Missouri Wind and Solar, and all galvanized type steel, but this is one of their controllers that I picked up that last year. I had it shipped over here to Hong Kong, but they say this is up to 440 amps, and most likely that's not continuous. I know that's going to be intermittent by the size of it. It's probably about 100 or 125 amp continuous relay. But this voltage, this controller board that they have inside here, what I do is I set this at a lower voltage for it, because I use Morningstar, the TS60s. For the solar I use the MPPT, but then for the dump loads, for the system I use the TS60 PWMs. And I have that voltage set, so the Morningstars, the dump load controller, will be set at a higher voltage than this. This one will be lower. And then what happens is, if this dump load will be connected to the plug-and-play grid-tied inverters. And so then if the grid-tie inverter is connected, it's going to dump it straight to it, and it's going to go out to the grid if I'm at a marina that has shore power. But then when I'm not, so what'll happen is the battery will go up. So say if it's like 29 volts or something like that, the Morningstar will kick in, and then it will go to each controller takes 1,800 watts in that out, to the DC water heating element, and that makes the hot water, and that's what I use for the dump load. But then this is for the grid ties, which is not that often, but it's just that backup that you have. It's a complete system. So again, this has got this. I know I can put into a plastic box. This is not going to get that hot. I'm not going to be putting 100 or 120 amps through it DC, 24 volts. So, but got to take it all apart. I'll remount it in the plastic boxes. But so that's the dump load controller is what I'm going to use it for. And then I've got my brakes. I've got the rectifiers. So if I put these up, then what will happen is on the back transom of the boat, so on the back transom up on the top on each side, there'll be a pair of these, the 600 watt AC output. See, it's just a standard output, and that is 25 or 2.5 mm square wire that comes out. There's my cone. So it's, I mean, they're not expensive, but it should work pretty good. I want to take this cover off, and I actually want to see what they have in there for the generator. But that's, and once it goes up, I'll probably have to change the blades, because these look like they're going to be kind of noisy blades, and when you're in the marina, I don't think other sailors are going to want to hear that whistling when they're sleeping on their boat, and I don't want to hear it either. But I got all kinds of other stuff, other gadgets. So, I'm just digging out the crap. But I wanted to share what's going on with the horizontal wind turbines. I always want to say vertical because that's all I'm thinking about. But anyway, these are the horizontal wind turbines. So that's what's going on in my world. All right, be good, be safe, be well. Bye-bye.